Welcome to Independence Public Library's Maker Monday instructional video. Today we are going to make our very own flapping, flying butterfly. What you'll need is the kit from the Independence Public Library, which will contain a butterfly template and a clothespin. What you'll need from home are a pair of scissors, some markers or crayons, whichever you prefer to use for decorating your butterfly, some Elmer's glue or some liquid glue, and some tape. You can stop the video while you go collect your tools and restart again when you're ready to go. The first thing we want to do is to take our butterfly template and decorate it any way you choose. There are a lot of beautiful butterflies out there, so any way you decorate it will just be perfect. What I did is I decorated the front, but I also colored the back a little bit so that there would be a little bit of color on the back of my butterfly. Not just the inside portion, but the outside portion. So go ahead and start decorating. When you have that completed, go ahead and cut around your butterfly carefully. You need to make sure and cut out these two strips also. Those will be very important parts of our butterfly. Go ahead and stop the video and start again when you've completed your decorating. Now that you've decorated your butterfly, we'll need to attach this to our clothespin. Carefully fold your butterfly wings along these dotted lines. Now we want to take our Elmer's glue and apply it to the top of our clothespin along here. When the glue is on there, we want to make sure and have the top of our butterfly head right here come to the very edge of our clothespin. So it'll look like that. Okay, so we'll add our glue. This is going to take some time to dry, so make sure and get your glue on there. Okay. Then add your butterfly, like we'd mentioned before. Make sure and take it right up to the nose of the clothespin. Okay, and then set it off to dry. When that's dry, we'll want to attach our two strips of paper so that our butterfly will actually flap. Okay, to do that, you'll want to glue. We want to fold this a little bit first, about a quarter of an inch, half an inch in. Okay, and that will attach to the very bottom of your clothespin. We want to put glue there. Okay. You want the sides of your strap to come up like that. Okay, so we want both of our pieces, so we'll add a little more glue to Here again, this is going to take some time to dry, so you'll have to be very patient. And we want that to go. Okay. Okay, so we want to set that off and let it dry good. Okay. Once that's dried, you'll want to go ahead and bend your strap up, add a small piece of tape to the top of that strap. You'll do the same for the other side. I've already taped mine. But once your glue is dried and your tape is on there, you should be able to flap, flap, flap your butterfly. Thank you for joining us today. We do hope to see you soon. The Independence Public Library does have several books on butterflies. Just a few, for example, are Make Way for Butterfly by Ross Burish, I Wish I Were a Butterfly by James Howe, Waiting for Wings by Lois Eilert, and Butterfly by Mike Inkpen. We do hope you'll join us at the public library soon. Thank you.